Hello, my name is Sharon Starr. I'm IPC's Director of Market Research. And I'd like to introduce the Market Research program to you very briefly because honestly I think market research is one of the most valuable services that an association can offer to its members. The reason is that we are an independent, unbiased third party that you can trust to collect data from the industry. That's something that an individual company in the industry can't do because they're unlikely to share data with their competitors. There are consulting firms that do it, but they charge an awful lot of money. We do it as a member benefit. So when you join IPC, you have access to many different statistical programs and surveys and reports for free because they are part of your membership. IPC has been doing market research almost since its founding over 50 years ago. It's an integral part of what we do for the electronics industry. And all of our market research programs are member-driven, which means if you have a need for a certain kind of data, we'll do our best to try and get that data for you. And that's how our programs have evolved. Every year we ask our members and program participants what they want different, what's new that they need, what they no longer need, and we try to make these programs evolve so that they're always relevant and always timely. The statistical programs which we offer are basically monthly or quarterly surveys that companies can participate in, and they're tailored to the specific industry that they're intended for. We have them for the PCB industry, both rigid and flex, separate surveys. We have the EMS industry programs, both monthly and quarterly. We do these programs for the process consumables industry, assembly equipment, solder, and laminate. And so those are free to members to participate in, and I urge you to do that because only members get the complete reports on the aggregate results for free. In fact, those reports are not even available to anyone else, so they're very valuable and very timely. We also do some larger scale annual or biennial studies. And again, the companies that participate in the surveys for those studies get them for free. They cover such things as benchmarking, wage and salary surveys, executive compensation, and a lot of other things that can be of great value to companies in the industry. Particularly, I think our members use this data from all of these programs to get a sense of what's happening in the marketplace. What industry segments or product areas are growing or declining. What's happening among the whole group of their competitors in terms of sales growth, and how do their results compare with the industry. Many companies use it to measure changes in their market share. So these all offer very valuable management tools for marketing. And all of our surveys are done online and in a very secure system, secure server, secure system entirely, and handled entirely in-house by the 3 IPC Market Research staff members who are all very seriously committed to maintain confidentiality, and our systems help us protect your confidentiality. We only report aggregate results, and only when enough companies have answered the question that we can be sure that there's no chance that anyone can deduce another company's numbers. So we're very serious about confidentiality for our members giving us data. IPC publishes a quarterly report that's available free to all IPC member companies, which is very valuable because it includes major findings from all of the statistical programs, so that you can find out what's going on not only in your own particular industry, but in your customers' industries and your suppliers' industries. And along with that is a lot of economic data and analysis, and it's published every quarter, so it's very timely. And that's something that is available by subscription, but IPC members get it for free. And so it's one I'd definitely recommend that you look for. We also have executive level conferences that cover market and technology topics, and that's another way that IPC Market Research serves the industry. So I would urge you to look on IPC's website. In the public area of the website, under the industry data page, you can find all about IPC's book-to-bill ratio, the famous ratio that's published every month and many, many people look for. There's also information about all of our statistical programs and a snapshot of current data. In the members only page, you'll find a whole lot more. If you click on the link to IPC Market Research, you'll find free conference proceedings. You'll find audio slide presentations from some of the conferences. And you'll also find many studies and reports, including the market data update, which is yours to download. And I wish you much success and hope that we can contribute to that by continuing to give you timely and relevant data from IPC Market Research. Thank you.